Beauty of analysis proven. I told you watch out for 31,000 levels last week, and it can precisely bounce back from those levels. And see what US30 did. US30 achieved in fact sub 31,000 levels, close to 3970, and has in fact achieved a high at 31,200, almost 1200 points of gain. I hope you all profited. Now what is going to happen next week, whether this should be considered a reversal, it is going to rise from here, should we take a positional trade, or is it going to crash again? All of this will be answered in this analysis. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Do not commit this mistake. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. And towards the end of the analysis, I will give you the strategy and trading levels for next week. Do watch till the end. So first, let's start the day with the weekly charts out there. On the weekly charts, I told you at this point that it is reversed, and see after the reversal from 34,000 levels, it is precisely achieved now 31,000 and more levels. And see, this is a bearish triangle still for Dow Jones, and this is an expanding triangle indicating increased bearishness. At the same time, on the weekly charts, if you connect the dots on the downside, precisely it has achieved the bottom. So what it is trying to do, it is trying to consolidate between these levels, that is 31,000 to 34,000. In between these 3,000 points, it may try to consolidate. Now just look at the last two candles on US30, lower highs, lower lows. So what you can expect, that once you see it trading above this zone again at 32,250, definitely you can remain long, and then 32,400, and beyond that we can see it hitting 32,800, 33,000 levels. And in fact this time it can again try to rise till towards 33,000 plus levels also. So be cautious with that. We can again expect 33,200 if it continues to trade above 32,250 levels. This is one observation. At the same time, reversing from here, if you see it dropping below 32,000, you can stay short again. Then one can look forward to 31,700, which was the previous resistance zone. Now if it trades only above 31,700, then you can consider it little bearish, and then 31,300, 31,000 levels will come into picture. So this is on the weekly charts. Now let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, yesterday in my daily analysis, I told you stay long, and you can see equal size of candle, and precisely it has achieved the complete movement till there. See from here the slope was little bit slant. I can say the degree is little bit less, but look at the rise. This is a sharp increase. And now if you look at on the downside, you have to be very careful till the time it trades above 32,000 levels next week, and till the time it trades above 32,000, possibility for it to achieve 32,500, 32,800 and 33,000 exists, and it is going to remain high on the upside. Yes, from here only possibility for it to create a double top and give you a red candle, and then follow up with the symmetry, and then you can consider that it is trying to trade with a little slant bearish channel, and then the lows there at 31,000 levels can again be seen. So this is another observation on the daily charts, and that is why I say 32,000 and 32,250, this zone between 32,000 and 32,250, you have to be very cautious with your positions. Now look at the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour charts, achieving 32,200, it has tried to see a drop, but then see this is first red candle, second red candle may follow, and then we may look at it achieving 32,000 levels, and then you have to watch out for 31,800 and 31,600. This zone between 31,800 and 600 is going to be very important for US30 next week. If it drops below this, it may call for a stronger drop. When I say it may call for a stronger drop, then it has to cover the journey till here, which will bring it again below 31,000 levels, and then you can consider that it is trying to trade within the channel what we have seen on the daily chart. So hence you have to be cautious. Right now it appears to be reversing. So yes, go short below 32,000. Expect 31,840 first target, 31,800, 31,700 and 31,600 as the very strong support zones on the downside. Now this we have seen the 4-hour, daily, weekly charts. Look at the monthly candle. On the monthly charts, look at higher lows. On the monthly charts, if you just eliminate this candle, you can see the highs there of this channel are almost done, and you can find out it has got still some scope for it to rise till towards 32,800, 33,000 levels, which is going to be a very important resistance zone for US30, only trading above which you can expect that we can see it trading for 34,000 plus levels. So this time, yes, above to 250, you can definitely expect a little bullishness. Then you can expect it to hit 32,800, 33,000 levels, and from there, see what it is trying to do. It has seen the lows there and it is trying to create a parallel, and hence 33,500 is now going to be a very important resistance for US30. So this is the on the charts there. We have seen weekly charts, we have seen daily charts, we have seen the 4-hour charts, and now let's have a look with the help of indicators whether the indicators are also speaking the same language or we have something different available here. Now look at the 4-hour charts. You can clearly see it is clearly trading in this bullish channel, and see the vertex is done. It is trying to reverse from here. So yes, once probably you see it trading below 32,000, 31,950, you can expect that we may see 31,800, 31,600 levels is going to be very strong support there on the downside. Once it breaks below 31,600, it will call for another bearish move, 31,400, 300, and then we will see it trading below 31,000 levels. Directional movement on the 4-hour charts is still bullish. It is diverging. Stochastic is overbought, hence it may call for a strong sharp drop, taking it till towards 31,800, 600 levels. The MACD is divergent. The MACD is bullish on the 4-hour charts. The RSI is overbought and it can look forward to a drop here. Be cautious. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts you will observe that the 20 period moving average, which is situated precisely at around 32, 250, 300 levels, are going to give it a tough resistance, and the 32,100 period moving average may provide it a little again resistance. So in between this zone 32,000 to 32,500, there are stronger resistances available. So yes, be cautious in between these levels. And if you look at the directional movement, it is crossing over for a bullish move. It is right now so far trading bearish. Now look at the stochastic entering into overbought levels. The MACD is trading bearish, trying to converge, crossover for a bullish move. RSI is looking upwards. Now look at the weekly charts also. On the weekly charts you will observe 32,500 here till 32,500. There are stronger resistances available. Above 32,500, 550, you can expect that it may try to see 33,200 and 33,500 levels. Directional movement so far is bearish here. Stochastic entering into oversold zone. MACD trading with moderate bullishness there, trading parallel. RSI is looking upwards. And if you look at the monthly charts out there, the support there on the downside at 29,500, 29,000 is strong. The resistance there on the upside at 33,000 is going to be very, very strong. Directional movement diverging and bearish. Stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is trading parallel with strong divergence. We may see it converging, but we have to be cautious how it behaves this month, that we need to look at. The RSI is trading flat at comfortable levels. So we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Now what is going to happen next week, what strategy we should adopt in order to profit, we will see with the help now. We will see in a little while now. First, let's talk about the levels to go long. And yes, if you see it trading above 32,240 next week, you can go long. Remember 32,240, you can stay long above this. Then one can expect it to rise. How far it can go? 32,350, 32,420, 32,500. Now till here you have to be very, very cautious and alert. It can reverse. If it is bearish, it may reverse from these levels also. And in fact 32,800 is the next resistance, which is also going to be a potential reversal level. So yes, before we proceed further, yes, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, taking right entries and right exits and taking profitable trades, you can join my mentorship batch. This is a 15-day session. 90 minutes live webinars are going to happen, and you will be provided with videos also for reference. Also, we will provide you technical support. So do not miss this opportunity to invest here and learn for life. Definitely you will cherish this learning for life and become an independent trader. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can become a patron. The founding stone patron contribution is hardly $7 a month, which is less than any cost which we spend on our daily uses. But see, it is a great motivation for me, and if you want to support, you can become a founding member in Patreon. The Patreon page link is also mentioned in the channel and video description. Now if you look at 32,500, definitely beyond which you can expect it to rise more, and then we can expect 32,710 and 32,800 as the good strong resistance level. Beyond that 32,950 will be seen, and then 33,000 100, 33,200 levels can be expected, beyond which it will try to fly high till towards 33,500. Anything is possible. These are markets, but possibly do trade with caution till 32,500. There is a potential of it to reverse from those levels. On the downside, yes, you can go short here at 32,000 itself. Only once it breaks below 32,000, I will recommend you to go short. Then I will expect it to drop for 31,840, 31,700. Be careful of these two levels from any point of time till it trades above this. It can reverse again. Below 31,700, I will expect it to directly drop for 31,500, 31,400, and then 31,300. Till here also it's fine. It can be comfortable in this zone. Below 31,300, it will call for a good drop for 31,000 and below levels. So take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly. Only just keep 3 mantras in mind and just a little discipline in these, following these 3. First thing is always put a stop loss in your trade. Second thing is always shift your stop loss to cost or your entry price whenever you see your trade is in profit, and just keep a little distance from the level which it is trading. And third thing is, either if you are not shifting the cost manually, either you can put a trailing stop loss such that in case of a reversal your trade closes in profit, or else second is you should either close the trade or close it at the critical support levels and the levels mentioned here. So yes, if you put a stop loss there, definitely it will help you in preserving capital, or else at least if not profits, you will not incur any loss. Any trade closed in no loss or with little profits will not only increase your wealth, but also more than that, it will increase your confidence to trade profitably and taking stronger profitable trades every time. Take your trades accordingly, take profitably. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Become a part of my mentorship batch, become a part of my signals group and my pattern page. Reach out to me for any details via Telegram or email. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.